Hearing a ticking noise on cold starts that fades after a few minutes? If it gets louder when towing or accelerating, or you notice exhaust smells at idle, exhaust manifold bolts may be the cause. Heat cycling from short trips or heavy loads can stretch and snap rear bolts, creating leaks. Haynes Manuals guides you through exhaust manifold and gasket replacement procedures, including bolt removal and reinstallation details. Get your Ram 1500 print manual with digital access at Haynes.com.